Hi guys, today we're opening Mingo. Comes with berries, no Noki. That might be a Noki berry. And we have some ice cream pie. So let's start opening.
And where does Mingo come from?
With Freya and those little videos.
And what TV show?
From Elena. Or you tap one of those for a duck. And or you tap that button or pop or egg. Out for egg and you can pop pull out for egg.
So he sleeps in the egg, and then he hatches, and he says, "Mommy," and he talks, and then you feed him.
Okay, now can you push him over here? Let's get opening.
Baby Mingo nurturing set.
Yeah. These are really cool TV shows. I just love them. I just love TV shows. I just watch the normal Elena's and the real Elena's. See? Pop, pop, pop.
So it comes with a food bowl and a spoon
and her egg.
and some enoki.
Gnocchis. They love gnocchi berries. They don't like apples.
Enoki berries are favorite, right?
Yeah. The mommy and daddy give them gnocchi berries. I'm going to show you all the food. I'm going to show you the spoonful. And it is purple and it has a little gem on it. And it's purple. And here's our ice cream pie.
What do you think gnocchi berry tastes like?
Apples.
I think it tastes like apples. Maybe it tastes like grapes.
Here her egg is.
Okay.
Have her egg. Now we're gonna pop her in.
So before you get started, you gotta turn little Mingo onto on mode. So he's got demo mode.
We're gonna pop her in.
Wait a minute, let me put the egg together.
We're gonna pop her in. How do you pop her in? And that's how you put her in. First, you gotta put Mingo in.
Now, we have to line this up.
Yeah, I guess. Then what else is gonna do? Oh, that's a snoring. Pop it.
Is he ready to be hatched?
Yeah. Ah! Oh, it's a mom!
He's like, "Hi, Mom."
I said, Mommy.
So your child can reload the jackpot as many times as he or she wishes. You just snap it on and it pops right off.
That's cute.
Your future guardians are always here for you.
Achoo!
Mingo, Mingo.
Mingo, Mingo! Mingo, Mingo!
And how do you get it to eat the food? You just hold it up there?
Bertha, eat that. Bertha, eat that.
So what she's doing is she is actually
Singing.
putting the food into its mouth and it registers it.
Here it is. Here's the baby.
Does her wings flap?
Let's see.
A little bit.
A little bit. Wee, wee, wee.
Do they flap on their own?
What's the roll? Let's go all right. And here it is.
Bertha, eat that.
What's like that?
There's little Mingo.
Does it say Mommy? Now let's put it on again. We're going to show them again.
He's super cute, right?
Mom, we're going to show them. We'll say Mommy again.
Load him in there. Push him in until he snaps.
Oh, he snapped.
There you go.
Okay, snapped it.
And then you put the lid on. You have to line it up. Line up the back. Well, the back's the hardest part to get lined up.
Why do the egg again?
He's just in there sleeping.
Come on, get him.
Is he ready?
Yeah. I'm ready. Mommy? No, Isa. Oh! I was so late. And here it is again. Oh, like pop. Pop. Here is
eat it?
Yeah. Yum 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 yum
We
yum.
can't.
Yum 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 yum. Yum 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 yum. Silly Mingo. It's Papa.
Pop her one more time. So inside, it just has a little space that shows you where his butt goes. You can snap him in there. He doesn't really snap. He just kind of sits in the mold. Well, I guess he really does snap.
And then Isa says, well, Mingo says, Mommy? And then Isa says, no, your mommy's out going to get Noki berries. I'm Isa. Isa. And then the pink one and the boy one said, Isa, Isa.
They hatched. I should go get Elena. No, I can handle this. Oh, hi, little baby Jacquelines. Achoo! You have your mommy's fur. Isa! Isa! Mommy? No, but I can take care of you until your mommy gets back.
He did. On the cartoon.
Yeah, on the cartoon, yeah.
You have to
But not
line
this way, babe.
these two brackets up with each other and snap it on.
I don't like pies.
Are you eating enoki berries?
No, I mean,
You gonna eat all the baby's food?
no. Blech.
Hours and hours of fun of popping.
Where do we put?
Mommy?
Silly mommy.
Hours of fun.
That was a fun.
All right, what does she do inside that egg?
What's not?
Is she sleeping?
Yeah. That's how it smells.
Oh. When she stops, you're supposed to hatch her.
Mommy? No. Isa. 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 Here it is again.
What all does he say?
Mingo, Mingo.
His name?
Mingo.
And what else?
Your future guardians are always here for you.
Is he gonna be like his daddy?
That's a good sign. Oh, what's in again? And some else.
Torta, eat that. Torta, eat that.
Yes! I want to say woo!
I think she says like 4 or 5 things.
Yeah, I think. And here is Mingo, popped out her egg. Let's put
All
it
right, so the set came with an egg on a golden pedestal, a
Yeah,
little jewel, blue jewel,
and some food.
and what is this?
A gnocchi!
Enoki. We'll call this a enoki berry pie. Enoki berry pie. And a little purple
Spoon.
spoon and a little
Blue!
blue bowl.
Yep.
And a
Mingo!
cute little Mingo.
Like blue wings. Babies escape from out of Isa's room.
Where's your sister? Oh, no, you don't.
And let's try to find out downstairs. So, comment below and tell me, did you watch the Elena movie? Where the babies hatch? Again, subscribe and comment below and tell me you watched it. Bye, guys.